everyone. Welcome back to American Dream Mansions. Today we are touring an incredible modern luxury mansion located in the United States. This beautiful dream home is designed with a perfect combination of gray and cream colors, giving the house a very elegant, calm, and expensive look. This property features massive living spaces, luxury bedrooms, a private gym, swimming pool, and everything you expect from a multi-million-dollar mansion. Let's start with the drone view of the property. From the top, you can see how large this mansion really is. The house is surrounded by a huge private area with green lawns, modern landscaping, and a long driveway leading to the main entrance. The exterior design looks stunning with cream stone walls, gray roof, and large glass windows that make the house look very modern and stylish. Now we are moving toward the front gate. The front gate of this mansion looks very grand and luxurious. As the gate opens, we see a long private driveway leading straight to the main entrance. On both sides, there are trees, lights, and beautiful plants that give the feeling of a five-star resort. The design of the house from the front looks absolutely amazing. Let's go inside and start with the grand entrance. As soon as we enter, we are welcomed by a huge double-height foyer. The ceiling is very high, and a modern chandelier is hanging in the center. The floor is made of polished marble, and the walls are painted in cream color with gray decoration. This entrance area gives a very strong first impression and shows the luxury of this home. Now we move to the main living room. This living room is very spacious and designed with modern furniture. There are large gray sofas, a beautiful fireplace, and a big TV wall. The combination of gray and cream colors makes the room look very peaceful and elegant. The best part of this living room is the huge glass windows that bring natural light inside and give a perfect view of the garden. Next, we go to the kitchen. This is a fully modern chef's kitchen with a large marble island in the center. The cabinets are designed in gray color, and the countertops are made of white marble. The lighting under the cabinets gives a very premium look. This kitchen has high-end appliances and a lot of space for cooking and storage. It is perfect for both daily use and big parties. Right next to the kitchen, we have the dining area. Here we see a long dining table with modern chairs placed under a beautiful chandelier. The soft lights and cream walls make this place look very warm and welcoming. This dining room is perfect for family dinners and special occasions. Now let's check the garage. This mansion has a very large luxury garage with space for multiple cars. The garage looks like a showroom with modern lights and clean gray walls. You can easily park sports cars, luxury SUVs, and other expensive vehicles here. For car lovers, this garage is a dream. Moving upstairs, we arrive at the master bedroom. This bedroom is huge and designed with soft gray and cream tones. The bed is placed in the center with stylish lights on both sides. There is a sitting area near the window where you can relax and enjoy the outside view. Large windows make the room bright and fresh. Now we go to the master bathroom. This bathroom feels like a five-star hotel spa. There is a big bathtub, a glass shower, modern sinks, and marble floors. The gray and cream design makes the space look very clean and relaxing. This bathroom is made for comfort and luxury. Next, we explore the walk-in closet. This closet is very big and has shelves on all sides for clothes, shoes, and accessories. The lights inside the closet make everything look very organized and stylish. This is the perfect closet for a luxury lifestyle. Now we go to the home gym. This private gym has modern fitness machines, weights, and mirrors on the walls. There is enough space for a full workout without leaving the house. Having a gym inside the mansion makes life very comfortable. Let's go outside to see the swimming pool area. The outdoor pool looks amazing with modern design and beautiful lights around it. There is a sitting area near the pool where you can relax with friends and family. The garden around the pool makes the place very peaceful. This is the perfect place to enjoy summer days. Now we enter the TV lounge. This is the entertainment room of the house. There is a big screen, comfortable sofas, and soft lighting. This room is perfect for watching movies, playing games, and spending time with family. Finally, we take one more look at the exterior of the mansion. From outside, the house looks even more beautiful with its modern architecture, large windows, and perfect gray and cream color combination. The design of this home shows true luxury and comfort. This mansion is a perfect example of what a real American dream house looks like. Huge space, modern design, luxury rooms, and peaceful surroundings make this home truly special. Thank you for watching American Dream Mansions. Subscribe to the channel for more luxury mansion tours, modern homes, and dream houses from around the world. We will see you in the next video.